Okay, so week 3, primates. Week 3, primates. Okay. So, what are we gonna talk about primates? Well, the primate pattern. First of all, of course. So, I think it would be better to use colors for this. So, we have the primate pattern. Okay? The primate pattern, we have 4 row. Row. Okay, well, I guess it will work with small pieces. It's fine. So, we got 4 different points or aspects of the primate pattern. So first one. Grasping hands and feet. One. 2. Visual system. Okay. 3. Large and complex brains. And last, features of the skeleton and dentition. Okay, and now inside those 4 different aspects, each one has like different points. So for the grasping hands and feet, primates are pentaxial. Yeah, pentaxial. Okay, yeah. So they are pentaxial. It's pentaxial. Okay? Or pentadactyl. Which means that's a good question. Five, yeah, I forgot how to say it. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that. 5. Okay. We had also, well, primates that opposable thumbs and big toes. No. Toe, yeah. Toe. Look at this. Yep. And primates have nails instead of claws. Okay. Now, for the visual system, You got forward facing x. Times, which means stereoscopic vision. Stereoscopic vision, yeah. Stereoscopic vision. Stereoscopic vision. And reduction of lactation. Like smell. Okay, why does this happen? Well, because vision consumes energy, lactation consumes energy, taste consumes energy. You know that. Our senses consume a certain amount of energy, but vision consumes a lot of energy. So the difference that we have from other animals, let's say dogs for example, we have this reduced olfaction for having better visual system. Yep. Okay. Now, third point, large and complex brains. We have an elongated neocortex. Yep. And long periods of infant dependency. Okay, so, well, we rely on learning. Well, primates rely on learning. Now, long periods of infant dependency. Reliance on learning. Finally, features of a skeleton and dentition. We got a differentiated primate skeleton. The primitive skeleton. We have also truncal uprightness. Well, uprightness. Truncal uprightness. And reduction in tooth number. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Now, these are the four most important points for the primate pattern. Okay? But we also have primate geographical distribution. Geographic distribution. Okay. For this, we know that primates are mostly tropical and mostly continental. Okay? This means tropical rainforest, woodlands, savannas, and deserts. Yeah, deserts. Okay? Perfect. Next. Oh. Okay. So there's the primate family tree. Here's where memorization enters. So, primate family tree. Oh. Okay. Okay, so we start with. Oh wait. This won't work. Okay, so prosimians. We're gonna do it as. Yeah. So we have pro. We got prosimians, okay, which are lorises, and lemurs. Between 16 to 65 years, 16 to 65 million years ago. Okay? Now, next. Old or monkeys? Or also called ANTA01. These are the rhesus weights. Here we have first the new world monkeys, the old world monkeys. So it will be new world monkeys, also known as new or monkeys. Or the marmosets. Yep. And that, well, they're from 35 million years ago. Yeah. Then, the old world monkeys. Or OWM. So known as the rhesus macaque. Rhesus macaque. Okay. Between 25 million years ago. Approximately 25 million years ago. Now, we also have laser apes. Oh. Moment. Laser apes, known as gibbon. Oh. It's approximately at 18 million years ago. That also is important to know that these are small apes. Okay. Now we got the great apes. There are two great apes. That will be the orangutan approx 12 million years ago. And the gorillas. Between 7 and 8 million years ago. So we have great apes, or the chimpanzees, between 6, well, yeah, 6 and 7 million years ago. And well, finally, a human. Which is present. Now, oh, I get the name. Oh. No, I don't like. Now. Okay. Perfect. How to memorize this? Pro, new, old, lesser, great. It's a prosimians, new word on monkeys, ladies, apes, apes, great apes, and human. Okay, Loris lemurs, marbles, versus, okay, yeah, good time relation. This is about practice, yes. 65, 30 years, 3 years approx, 10 years, yeah, 30 years of difference, 10 years of difference, okay, well, let's continue. So, we got now what it is, the classification schemes for primates and relationships. Well, primate relationships. Primate relationships. Yep. But this one, we need, yep, this one. Change the color to, yeah, purple is fine. So, we have classification, schemes, primates, relationships. Okay. There it is. Yeah. Perfect. Classification schemes for primate relationships. Okay. So we had two different types of classifications. One is all one. It was explained like that by the teacher. The phonetics grades. The phonetics, that's divided by grades, and the cladistics by clades. Okay, so for the phonetics would be okay. Phonetics by grades. Okay. Yep. We use the linear style. Between similarity that has like identifying similarities and differences. in its similarities and differences, but in biological morphology. Okay, and then we got cladistics. Based on plates. That's what you remember. So here it's based by evolutionary branching or shared derivative traits. Shared derivative traits. Derivative traits. Or you see genetics. Genetics relationships. Good. Perfect. Continue with more. Apart from all of these two definitions of gnosis, or not, are strepsirini. We're gonna write it well. Strepsirini. Strepsirini. Okay. I don't know if it's pronounced well, but this is correct writing. And this means wet nose. Then we have hap. Oh wait, yeah. No. No. Yeah. Haplorini. Haplorini. Also don't know if it's pronounced well, but haplorini. Okay. That means dry nosed. Okay. And then we start with suborders, because we mentioned strepsirini and haplorini. So we can subdivide these two in different, between the primates, each one of them, which one enters in the first one and which ones enter on the second one, and some characteristics also about them. Okay? So what we can actually, that will be good. So we have suborder of strepsirini. Strepsirini, yeah. And the suborder in Strepsirini, well, it's basically lemurs and lorises. Okay. Which are the early diverging. And the ones that are more primitive. Okay, because well, they retain ancestral traits. Okay. Some characteristics that they have. Here I think it will be a lot of characteristics. Yeah. Okay. So for the characteristics we have nocturnal characteristics. Well, that they are nocturnal, which means they're only active on the night. Large eyes, post-orbital bone, that's an important one. Tapetum, that it's a layer of cells that causes the eye shine. For example, when you take a picture of a dog or something, yeah, like you see, or cat, for example, you see how the eyes glow. That's the tapetum. If I write it, it will be like this. Tapetum. Yep. We also have that they have independent mobile ears, immobile upper lips, which they are, because of this, they don't have any expressions, or at least they are not that, yeah, that they didn't like share expressions like Haplorhini's suborders. Non-expression. And non-expression means facial expression, of course. Facial. Yeah, an expressive face, relying on sense of marking by identifying for identifying territories. With dental com, and also got dental com. And they got thumbs, plus, and nails. So they got both. Okay, oh, large eyes, of course. Large eyes. Yep. Like really, really big eyes. Yep. Beautiful eyes, I guess. Now, that's all for the suborder of the Strepsirrhini. And we go with the suborder of Haplorhini. Oh, I don't know what happened. 1 minute. So yeah, we continue with the suborder of Haplorhini. Oh, by the way, there it is. There we go. So, suborder haploring. Any mistake? Suborder haplorini. So for the suborder haplorini, we got 4 different primates. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. It will be tarsiers, monkeys, apes, and well, of course, us humans. Okay? What characteristics do we share? All. Yeah, will be like this. Yeah. Characteristics. First, we are all diurnal. From the word of day. Holy moly. Oh, okay. Well, we need to think fast. Shit. Okay, moving fast. So, all are diurnal, except all or monkeys, or monkeys, and tarsiers. Humans are also diurnal, but we since have electricity, light, and everything, we can work in the night, just like right now. You have post orbital plate. We rely less on scent, reflection, than these guys. Tersieriness. Okay? We have a, well, so we're haplorini have a reduced sense of smell, a hearing, but we got vision, gauge, and change. And what? And see, yeah, and see vision. We got better vision. Yeah. Yeah, better vision. And flat faces. Okay? Now, one more. Oh, okay, so on the contrary of these guys, we have mobile upper leaps, upper leap, no leap, yeah, upper leap, yeah, mobile upper leap. So we have more expressive faces. Small mobile ears. Ears. Except that's yours. They have mobile ears. Finally, no dental comb. Comb. Yeah. Cam? No, cam. No, yeah, comb. Comb. Okay, cool. And yeah. So the other part will be explained by photos or next part tomorrow, I guess. They need to clean. So we'll stay here because we will continue later on. Thank you. Okay, so we're gonna continue with week 3. Yeah, week 3, primates. So, last part, we're talking about suborder of Haplorini and some characteristics among the group between tarsiers, monkeys, apes, and humans. Now we go with tarsiers again, and specifically their own characteristics as well as distribution and shared characteristics. So it is tarsiers, also called as tarsiforms or genus Tarsius. Okay. So we go with some characteristics, starting with distribution. And we have that they are mostly located in South Asia. Okay. Some characteristics, such as, well, you know, rhinos. No tapetum. No dental comb. Post-orbital plate. And also some unique features, such as an unused mandibular symphysis, as long as specifically characteristics of tarsiers, which are larger eyes, in comparison to their body size. They can turn their necks 180 degrees. Sorry about that. Or, in a more professional word, swivel, turn their necks at 180 degrees. Doesn't matter to the right or left. And they also have an elongated tarsal bones. So that means they have great leapers. Okay. It's also important to mention that inside there's Haplorhini subdivision. Haplorhini, sorry. Haplorhini subdivision. We have another two subdivisions, which are the Platyrrhini, Platjrrhini, and Catarrhini. Catarrhini. Double R, double R. And between those groups, we have the Calimico, Cebus, and Cebula, and then the Catarrhini, Gorilla, and macaca. Okay? So now, we go with the new word monkeys, or NWN. So, starting with distribution. We have, they are found in the New World. And what's the New World? Well, Mexico, Central and South America. Okay? So, New World. Mexico and Central plus South America. Okay? Because you have some specific traits, such as all new world monkeys have tails. Some have prehensile tails. They are smaller in comparison with the old world monkeys. And they are more paternal. Okay? Also in comparison with other groups. Also, all are arboreal. Trees. Now we have the old world monkeys, or OWN. Okay? Again, some aspects, starting with distribution. Well, we are in the Old World. What's the Old World? Well, that's Africa, Europe, and Asia. Okay? The other side. Okay? So some traits of the old world monkeys. They are found in a variety of environments, different type of environments. All are diurnal. All have single birds. Sometimes we have twins. That's normal. Okay? That's as humans. Some are terrestrial. Of course, if those are smaller, well, these are bigger. They are sexually dimorphic. Sexually dimorphic. And they have the ischial callostoids. Sorry, it's not callostoids, it's ischial callocytites, I think. Sorry if it's mispronounced. Oh yeah, and this thing is the, I don't know if you see those monkeys that on their their butts, they have these skin pads, like red skin pads, because they use it for sitting, like this. So that's why they have like this specific type of skin, thicker. Colosset, for sitting. So sitting. Okay. A moment. Now, continuing. We got the superfamily Hominoidea. Oh. Okay, and the superfamily Hominoidea are apes and humans. Okay, of course, no tails. Larger size and weight. Larger brain in comparison of the body size. A more upright posture. This posture. And a longer station duration. Okay, longer gestation by duration. No, it's not longer gestation and maturation. It's longer gestation and maturation. Okay, so and maturation. Then we have Hylobatidine. Okay? From the family of Hominoidea. Or Gibbons and sigmas. No, not sigmas. Manx. Okay? Lesser apes. They are located in South Asia. And they also pair leaf with the monogamous. Okay? Brachiation, anatomical brachiation, yeah, brachiation, I don't know how to say, requirements. Anatomical requirements, of course. So we have long arms, and strong, of course. An elongated hook. Elongated hook, like fingers. Oh, well, let's say this fingers. No, well, okay. Shorten and reduce thumbs, because we got this longer fingers. Shorter hind limbs. And an erect, inflexible spine. Okay? Vertebral spine. And then coming back with the family of Hominidae, sorry. Here's a pretty similar name to get into consideration. It's just one letter difference, so it is Hominidea, Hominidea, which are part of the family of Hominoidea, Hominoidea. Okay? It's just this letter, which is different. Okay? We're taking into consideration. So with that, we have 3 genera of great apes. Which are the genus Pongo, or orangutans. We have also the genus Gorilla, which are gorillas, just like that. And the genus Pan, which are chimpanzees and bonobos. Okay? All of these 3 have a shared locomotion, which are the knuckle walking. Okay? Now we're gonna go into one of, like each one of them, sorry. Yeah. Orangutans, gorillas, chimpanzees, bonobos. So we start with orangutans. Scientific name, Pongo. Pygmaeus. Pongo pygmaeus. Points, important points. It's the Asian great ape. Asian. They are solitary species. Arboreal. Arboreal. Their diet is fugitive. Oh, sorry, no. it's frugivore. Frugivore. And they have a quadrumanous locomotion. Okay. Its distribution. Well, they are only located on the islands of Borneo and Sumatra. Okay. Now we go with gorillas. Scientific name: genus gorilla. I think it's the easiest. Mongol. Well, the African. Ground dwelling. And its diet, it's composed on leaves, shoots, stems, and some fruits. Okay? So we got here cultivar, then leaves, shoots, I don't know what's that, stems, and fruits. Okay. They also have social organization, whereas males with one or two males will be with one female adjunct normally. So one or two males with females adjuncts. It's not just one female or one adjunct, so it's like certain specific number, more than just one or two. Yeah. And well, gorillas have subdivisions, 3 important subdivisions, which are next ones. So we got subspecies or distribution. So it's the subspecies and the distribution where they're located. So we have gorilla, western, which are located in lowland, and they are normally brown and gray. Then we got Graueri on the eastern. Which are also lowland gorillas. They are black and white, no, black and coated. Okay, and finally we got Bering Jane, which are the mountains. So, well, mountain gorillas. Okay, normally their hair is longer. Okay. Now we go with chimpanzees. Chimpanzees, or scientific name, genus Pan. Okay? Which are also African. They are terrestrial and arboreal. They are omnivores. Diet. They hunt. For example, red clothes. And they make and use tools. Make and use tools. Okay? Now we have, well, now we go with bonobos. So, bonobos or also same scientific name as chimpanzees, genus Pan, or Pan Aniscus. Normally go for this one. Which are pygmy, chimpanzee, okay. They have a more bipedal behavior. more bipedal behavior. We have stronger bonds among females. And finally, they use sex to erase tensions. Or erase, whatever. Tensions. Okay? And after all of that, we go with humans. Us. Okay. Humans. Scientific name. Genus Homo. So characteristics amongst humans, more extended, childhood. We have more premature babies. Okay? In comparison to the other primates, of course, we retain hair as protection, cold sample. We got a more reduced face. In which we focus on a stereoscopic vision. Our teeth are smaller. We have no chin. Oh, sorry, no chin. We have chin, our chin, of course. And this is something that no other species have it in the world. At least not as same as us. Okay? Chin. We have longer legs and smaller arms. Yep. Well, shorter, smaller, shorter arms in comparison to other primates. We also have a generic variation. Okay? Continuing here, we have forehead. okay, which has a neocortex more expanded. Okay, wrong, wrong. Okay, because of this bigger neocortex, humans are able to make tools. Which gave us engineering. For example, so quick note, humans are not the only to have a convergent evolution. Apes also have it. Okay? Yeah, that's it about week 3. Perfect.